What's good? I'm up here in Lansing, man. Check out this Caprice. It's a 94, man. I seen it on Marketplace or whatnot. I just got here. He ain't here yet, so I'm like, let me show y'all the car. It got a little damage right here. The light missing, man. That fender right there, but the body kind of clean, man. It's decent for a 94, man. I don't know if I should just get it or what. Get it to flip it. It has a 4.3 in it, man. I thought it had the 5.7, like the ad said, man. That's what made me rush up here to get it, because I thought it was the LT1 in there. I thought I wanted to burn some rubber, man. But then he got me over here at a dang transmission shop. So we about to see if it need a transmission. Then as soon as you get here, I'm gonna test drive it. I'm gonna test drive that mug and go from there, man. I done checked all the fluids. All the fluids seem to be okay. What's good, man? We back at it, man. I got bro out here, man. Bro done brought the coupe back for me. Yeah, you see we had gbody. Yeah, you see that S10 over there. Yeah, we ain't talking about that right now though, but yeah, check this out. We end up getting them for the low. Check this thing out, man. Yeah, still got the damage right there, but we got him all the way back to the jack. Good solid Caprice. For sure, y'all see it, man. Oh yeah, got that roof right there if y'all want him. Y'all want that thing. Y'all scared of that roof. I'll put him in for y'all if y'all interested in it. Let me know. I'm about to show y'all the miles and the interior on this thing. It's the interior right now. We gonna clean him up. Man, he ain't got the bencher in there. Oh my God, don't nobody like that bench seat, but it is what it is. It's more solid. I don't know what that is, coffee spill or something. Let me show y'all the miles on this thing, man. We just came back from Lansing to Jackson, gang. Check him out. Oh my God. Let me start him back up. Yeah, start right up. Yeah, check that temp out, all that. Oil change, man. My man's had it at the shop where I got it from. He took it to a shop in Lansing, man. I can't tell y'all the information and nothing like that, because I don't want to put them on blast. But they took it to the shop and they did spark plugs, wires, distributor cap, water pump. They couldn't get it running right, man. So, you know, man, Life with B, man, had to put his hands on him. Man, they had a wire cross, bro. No cap. They had a wire cross, spark plug wire cross. And you know, I had to hustle him out this mug for the low. And so I left it like that, drove down the street with putting and all that. And I got him for the low. That's why she's here. You feel me? Besides that though, but yeah, check him out. I don't like these grandpa them smoke vents, man. I don't smoke, man. Or the rain vents, smoke vents. You know how to take them things off, man. You feel me? But check that body out. Check that body out. I think I'm gonna have to mount him up on something, man, in the next couple of days. And lift that front end up. Cause that front end ain't it. Check my baby out. That's the S10, man. I hate to keep showing y'all this, but yeah, check that out too, cause that's coming up too, man. That's the SS. You feel me? very minimal rust. It got all the corners and rockers and all that. Got a little bit of rocker surface. The lights is out because I took the whole bed off to do the fuel pump. So I just gotta mount that back down. I got all my caps. I had ordered the other caps because there's only one on there, so I ordered them. Yeah, check that body out. I ended up getting these corner lights, brand new. This is just, man, that service shit, man, scratches or whatever. I'm about to spray that. Man, it's on, man. I got the bumper roll pan in there. I need to fiberglass this, get that refiberglass and put that back on there. Got the floor shifter. You feel me? This mug ain't got too many miles on it either. 75. Yeah.